Krishna, Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Ayodhya series of Kathamrit. I am at a very beautiful temple of Hanumanji here. This place is known as Hanuman Gadi. It is said that before one visits the Ramlala temple at Ayodhya, one must visit the Hanumanji temple at Ramgadi. The sequence is first you visit Hanuman Gadi, then you go and take a dip in the holy river of Saryu, and after that you go to the Ramlala temple or the Janmabhoomi, which was newly inaugurated this year in January. This temple is supposed to be given to as a place for Hanumanji to stay by Lord Ram after all of them came back from Lanka to Ayodhya. So this is a cave-like structure where there is a beautiful deity of Hanumanji, very beautiful orange color deity of Hanumanji. It is supposed to be said that Hanumanji is sitting in the lap of Mother Anjani with a silver and a golden mace and a necklace of silver with Lord Ram's name inscribed on it. Along with a beautiful glimpse of the darshan of Hanumanji at Hanuman Gadi at Ayodhya, I have also tried and included a small clip of the Aarti of Hanumanji at Hanuman Gadi.
बहुत ताकत है, ताकत तो बहुत ताकत है क्या? बड़े भाई साहब चलो, हिलता नहीं है। सीताराम सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम 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 जय सीताराम जय
there are a couple of stories associated with this place. It is said that when it was time for Ramchandraji to wrap up his Leela and go back to Vaikuntha, he spoke about it to his brothers and Hanumanji also came to know. So the first story goes that Hanumanji expressed his desire that he wants to go back to Vaikuntha with Lord Ram and serve him eternally over there. Lord Ram said that I cannot allow you to do this because I want you to stay back in Ayodhya and protect my devotees and be here. And Hanumanji very nicely obeyed the instructions of his master Ramchandraji. The second story says that when Lord Ram spoke about this, Hanumanji was very eager and very happy and excited to go back to Vaikuntha. But there was one doubt in his mind, and Hanumanji asked Lord Ram, "Oh, this is going to be wonderful, but tell me, is there Ram Katha also going on at Vaikuntha?" So Lord Ram said, "No, if I am there in Vaikuntha, what is the need for my stories to be sung? What is the need of my pastimes to be sung in my dham? I am personally present over there." Then Hanumanji said, "Then I do not want to go. I want to be in a place where there is constant chanting of the name of Lord Ram, where there are people who are constantly singing your glories." And that is when he stayed back over here as a protector of the Ayodhya Dham and the protector of his devotees. This temple was also renovated by King Vikramaditya. King Vikramaditya made about 360 temples because we also understand that these temples cannot stay from Treta Yuga to Kali Yuga. Several yugas have passed. So several times the temples have been broken down, resurrected and renovated. The present temple that you see here was made by Vikramaditya. One of the Nawabs of Awadh, Ayodhya, was Shuja-ud-Dawla, and his son at that particular time fell extremely sick. The Nawab tried various efforts. He made lots of efforts, contacted lots of Vaids and physicians to try and cure his son, but to no avail. Then finally, at the behest of Sant Abhay Ram Das, Shuja-ud-Dawla prayed fervently to Lord Hanuman and his son got cured. After his son was cured, he was so happy that again he approached Sant Abhay Ram Das, who implored him and requested him that now you should donate some land and get a temple of Lord Hanumanji built. That is when he gave about 50 to 52 bighas of land, and he also gave some resources and money to build this particular temple of Hanumanji. So this is a beautiful temple which is supposed to be top of the list. There is a long queue to reach the temple. It is at a height, and the most beautiful part is that from this temple one can get a very nice overview of the city of Ayodhya. I will just show you the beautiful lanes, and we can also see the crowd over here, the crowds that throng to see this temple and pay their visits to Lord Hanumanji. Hare Krishna, thank you very much for being connected to Kathamrist. Stay connected. We will be showing you some more places in Ayodhya.